We are going to look at numbers 13 through 19 odd of section 2.2 of MA1. We're asked to write the equation of a circle with the indicated center and radius. I wrote the standard form of the equation of a circle here to remind us that whenever we're writing the equation of a circle, we need to fill in h and k for the center coordinates of the circle, and the radius is going to be squared. X and y we leave as x and y because those indicate an infinite number of points on the circle, but h and k are the specific coordinates of the center. In this case, those specific coordinates are 0, 0, and we're told that the radius is 7. If I fill that information into the form of the equation for the circle, I have x minus 0 quantity squared plus y minus 0 quantity squared equals the radius squared equals 7 squared. I can clean this up a little bit in that x minus 0 is just x, so I can actually rewrite that as x squared. Same thing, y minus 0 is just y, so this can be written as y squared equals 7 squared is 49. So this is the equation of the circle that has center at 0, 0 and radius of 7. Similarly, for number 15, we want to fill in the coordinates 2, 3 for h and k, and fill in that 6 for r. Doing so gives us x minus 2 quantity squared plus y minus 3 quantity squared equals 6 squared. If I clean that up by squaring the 6, then I can leave this as x minus 2 quantity squared plus y minus 3 quantity squared equals 6 squared, which is 36. This one's a little bit different in a couple ways. One of the coordinates is negative, and also the radius is the square root of 7, so we have a radical. We don't change the approach. We're still going to be subtracting the x coordinate of the center. So we'll be subtracting a negative 4. Well, we know that we have x, and we want to subtract, let me clean that up a little bit here. Let's start that over again. We have the x. If we minus a negative 4, that's the same as adding 4. So this will actually be x plus 4 quantity squared plus y minus k, so that will be y minus 1 squared equals the square root of 7 squared. Well, the x plus 4 will stay x plus 4, so we'll be squaring that, plus the y minus 1 will stay y minus 1 quantity squared. But with the square root of 7 squared, the radical and the exponent cancel each other out, and the square root of 7 squared is just 7. So this is my equation. Finally, we'll apply those techniques for this. We know we will have x minus a negative 3 and y minus a negative 4, so minus those negatives, we'll turn those into positives, and we have that square root of 2. So if we put this together, x minus a negative 3 will be x plus 3 quantity squared plus y minus a negative 4 will be y plus 4 quantity squared equals the square root of 2 squared. Again, x plus 3 quantity squared will stay x plus 3 quantity squared. Y plus 4 quantity squared will stay y plus 4 quantity squared equals the square root of 2 squared is just 2.